So we've got the transmitter hooked up at the combiner box. I've taken my arc flash face shield off because I'm out of the arc flash hazard zone. I've still got my electrically insulated gloves on just in case. I've got my receiver here. Now, if I come up and measure here, and I'm measuring, again, the wire parallel to the line in the top of the receiver, I have signal there. It's very easy to see that the signal's there. So we're on the tracing side of the signal there. I can also take the current clamp, and if I put the current clamp around here, I can clearly see I've got 27.7 milliamps there, which is a very clear signal. So let's move to the other side of the ground fault and see what signal we get there. So now we're on the other side of the fault, and we're injecting onto the negative side. So we're on the positive side of the fault now. If I put my clamp around this conductor, I have 0 amps. And you can see that it's taken just a couple seconds to go down to 0. So I can't just put the clamp on, take a quick reading and pull it off. I need to make sure that it goes down to 0. Also, if I use the receiver, I'll get no signal with the receiver either because I'm on the other side of the ground fault. So again, that's an easy way to trace through, follow where the signal is, and wherever the signal ends, that's where you're going to find your ground fault.